Does your art look like a disfigured pufferfish? Well, in this video, I'll give you 3 tips to make your art become the mighty god tier it was destined to be. G'day internet. Today I'm going to show you how to sketch. Since sketching is the foundation of drawing and what makes an artwork go from excellent to disastrous, it can be hard to understand where you went wrong. So, as the master you know I am, I took the liberty of choosing for you. I narrowed it down to 3 of the issues people are avoiding and directly impacting their art as a whole. A big problem I have with how some people draw people or objects is the fact that some people don't use reference images to make their drawings more accurate to said object or person. So please practice using reference images to aid you when drawing. If you are only doing 1 or 2 sketches and telling yourself, why doesn't my picture look amazing? Well, I have something to say to you. Put more effort into your drawings. You need at least 3 sketches to make your art decent. Another thing I have is learning anatomy. People avoid this because it's very hard to make, but learning anatomy is probably the issue that can make your art go from 0 to hero. I say this because without a proper understanding of the human body, well, drawing them will be more than challenging. Now, there's no magical shortcut to mastering muscles. But in me saying this, it doesn't mean you can't learn it in a couple of weeks. Even just by searching on something like Google for an image of what limb you're trying to draw, repeating different poses of that limb can seriously benefit your drawing. Thanks for watching, like and sub for more content like this, and goodbye.